In this video, I will quickly show you how to send mass emails on Monday.com to contact multiple people at the same time. First, go to Monday.com and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, open the board that contains the contacts who will receive the emails. Make sure there is an email column with the contact email addresses. Next, click Integrations or Automations to set up automatic email sending. Look for an email integration such as Gmail or Outlook and connect your account. After that, choose an automation that sends an email when a condition is met, such as a status change or new item created. Now write the email message and select the email column containing the contacts. Once configured, Monday.com will automatically send emails to the selected contacts. This makes mass communication easier and saves time when sending messages. And that's it. Now you know how to send mass emails on Monday.com easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.